Well, under fire over Lakhimpur violence case, Minister of State Ajay Mishra lost his cool when journalists prodded him on the SIT, calling the Lakhimpur incident pre-planned. In a shocking meltdown, Minister blamed the media for his son being behind bars. Not just that, he called journalists shameless and brainless. Last evening, the special investigation team, remember, had said there was a planned conspiracy to murder protesting farmers and sought attempt to murder cases against the accused.
ऐसे यही हमारे मीडिया वाले हैं ना, एक निर्दोष आदमी के लिए बनाया, शर्म नहीं आती है। अरे फोन बंद कर दे, फोन बंद कर दे। ऐसे यही
Well, some news just coming in amidst opposition's demand to sack Minister of State for Home Ajay Mishra Teni. The minister has been summoned to Delhi. Mishra is expected to be in Delhi by this evening. So there is some development when it comes to the SIT's own findings, when it comes to the killings of the farmers in Lakhimpur Kheri, that horrific incident that saw the killing of farmers. Also, not just that, in the violence that ensued, a journalist too had died, and also BJP workers had died in that attack. Mosmi is getting asked more details on that big story. Mosmi, what more can you share with us at this point in time?
Sneha, we do know that the MOS home has been summoned to Delhi, but importantly, you know, this comes at a time when the opposition party has been up in arms against the Minister of State for Home Affairs, demanding his resignation, the issue reverberating in the parliament, and with the SIT, saying that an attempt to murder case should be slammed against all the accused, and saying that there is a conspiracy behind the entire killing. It has added fuel to fire, with the opposition continuing to disrupt the House, demanding that the minister should be suspended. Why is the Prime Minister mute over the entire row? And importantly, demanding a discussion on the entire issue. The issue is unlikely to die down, with trouble mounting for the Minister of State for Home Affairs, Ajay Mishra Teni. Sneha.
It's a big development, given that there is a lot of pressure, not just from the farmers who had been raising this issue, but from the opposition also, that has in fact been stalling parliament proceedings, saying that this has to be done. His son, at the end of the day, is an accused in this case. How can he continue, Mosmi?
Absolutely. The demand is that on moral grounds, first of all, the Minister of State for Home Affairs, even pending the inquiry, should have resigned. And now when he has not resigned, he is a minister of the Prime Minister Modi's cabinet. It is the Prime Minister who should in fact suspend him. And with this entire issue, there were adjournment motions given in the Lok Sabha and also in the Raj Sabha. Rahul Gandhi spoke twice on this issue to the media. He's given an adjournment notice in lower house. We've seen this row escalating with the government being put to test in this entire issue.
Absolutely. Mosmi, thanks for getting us up to speed with those developments.